Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into an essential modal verb should. This powerful word helps us give advice, express obligation, probability, and much more. Stay tuned as we break it down with the 40 practical sentences that will boost your English fluency. Let's get started. Should is a modal verb used to give advice, express obligation, probability, expectation, and hypothetical situations. In this lesson, we'll explore different ways to use should with 40 example sentences. Number 1. Should for giving advice. We often use should to give advice or suggestion to someone. For example, you should drink more water to stay healthy. He should study harder if he wants to pass the exam. You should apologize for your mistake. We should leave early to avoid traffic. He should eat more vegetables for better health. Number 2. Should for expressing obligation. Should is used to express mild obligation, less strong than must. For example, number 1. Employees should arrive at work on time. You should always tell the truth. Parents should take care of their children. Students should complete their homework daily. Everyone should respect their elders. Should is also used to express expectations or probable outcomes. For example, the package should arrive soon. He should be at home now. This book should help you understand the topic. The weather should be nice this weekend. The movie should start at 8 p.m. Should is sometimes used in conditional sentences to express unlikely or hypothetical situations. For example, if you see John, you should tell him to call me. If you feel sick, you should see a doctor. If you tired, you should take a break. If you want to lose weight, you should exercise regularly. If it rains tomorrow, we should stay indoors. We use should when making recommendations or suggesting the best course of an action. For example, you should try this new restaurant. The food is amazing. We should visit the museum when we go to the Paris. You should watch the movie. It's really good. He should read more books to improve his vocabulary. You should listen to this song. It's fantastic. Should can be used in questions when asking for advice or recommendations. For example, should I call her now or later? Should we go out for a dinner or stay home? Should I buy a laptop or a tablet? Should he accept the job offer? Should we take the train or drive? Should have is used to talk about past regrets or mistakes. For example, I should have studied more for the exam. You should have told me the truth earlier. We should have booked the tickets in advance. He should have apologized to her. They should have left earlier to avoid the traffic. Now that you have learned how to use should in different situations, try making your own sentences. Write 3 sentences using should in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. And that's a wrap on today's lesson about should. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below with your own sentence using should. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing English lessons. See you in the next video. Thank you.